In the last video, we discussed exercise 4.2 fourth problem. In this video, let us continue with the fifth problem of exercise 4.2. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 cm less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 cm, find the other two sides. Here, what is the unknown thing? The measure of the two sides of the given right triangle. What is now? Altitude of the right triangle is 7 cm less than its base and hypotenuse is 13 cm. Here, in a right angle triangle, altitude is one of the sides. Let the base be x centimeter. The altitude will be written as x minus 7 centimeter, and we have to apply Pythagoras theorem to the given right triangle. You know that Pythagoras theorem says that hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Hypotenuse is already given, that is 13 square is equal to x square plus x minus 7 whole square. So in the solution I can write 13 square is equal to x square plus x minus 7 the whole square. So if you substitute, 13 square is 169 is equal to x square plus x square minus 14x plus 49. Here I applied a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab formula to x minus 7 the whole square. Then if you solve it, you will get the expression in the form of x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0, which is there in the format of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now if you do the factorization method, you will get x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. Then grouping the same terms, x into x minus 12 plus 5 into x minus 12. Therefore x plus 5 into x minus 12 is equal to 0, x is equal to 12 and x is equal to minus 5. So you will get two different product here. We cannot take the negative number, therefore we can write base is equal to x is equal to 12 centimeter, and to find the altitude just minus 12 minus 7, that is 5 centimeter. Therefore the length of the two sides are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So this is regarding exercise 4.2 question number 5.